Hey, vlog. Powder sugar in the snow. Candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Good morning, princess. He's up and out of. He really stood up. What time is it? It's the right time of 5 a.m. Brennan and I are catching the last sunrise before we leave. It's coming to an end. The sun is up. It's breakfast time. That's beautiful. Guys, look, there's a rainbow. I'm gonna miss my breakfast, but 3 days left on semester at sea. This is what the breakfast lineup is looking like. Yogurt bowl, granola, goji berries, maybe a little drizzle of maple syrup, plate of beans.
We got a pastry. We've been avoiding these all semester. I feel like they just weren't good, but
They just don't-
today's the day to try it.
What do you think it is? Oh, I'm allergic to pineapple.
I was like, was it you or Kate that was allergic?
Anyways.
No, it's apple.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Even I'm not. Where's the EpiPen? This is not a sink.
Hey, this is why we can't have nice things. There's not much time left where I can say that I'm working out on a ship. Also, today isn't rocky. Yesterday the seas were so bad, so that's why I did not hit the gym. Yeah, nobody's in here right now, so I'm gonna start off doing some glutes and some legs, some running on the treadmill, and then we're gonna finish up doing a core workout on the deck. There's no better feeling than doing a core workout while having like the ocean breeze on you and just obviously the best view. The view does not get better than this. Yeah, let's make today a good one. I got out of the shower and put on a new outfit that I got in Vietnam. We're gonna go up to Lido and get some food right now. Oh, I forgot to say, but I have one more exam today. Today's my last exam ever on this voyage, and it is for health and wellness. I'm gonna do some studying with my friends Nicole and Rebecca, so that'll be after lunch. He hurt. Oh. The ultimate test. MG. We're studying before we take our exam. Wish us luck. Are you ready?
No. I'm ready to have it done and go to the pool.
After, we're gonna go to the pool.
Yeah.
Do you want to come with us?
Come with us. I look sick.
I have been obsessed with this song called Only You. Go listen to it. Okay, I'm gonna go swimming. Four of my friends and I are gonna go swimming right now. I just finished my health and wellness exam and I feel really, really confident about it. So now we pray. But yeah, let's go put on the suit and head up to the pool.
About the stargazing.
This is so good. First off, Nicole came and surprised me with coffee. This is literally love of my life right here. Also, I have like makeup on my face. Oh, and it's amazing. The coffee is a 10 out of 10 today. Who made it?
Sonny.
Sonny, we love you. We just got news over the speaker that stargazing is happening tonight, which means, oh my god, I look actually crazy. So they're turning off all of the lights on the ship. They've never done this on our voyage. But we're actually gonna be able to like fully immerse into the whole stargazing thing. Nicole and I have been looking forward to this.
I'm so excited for this. This has been, I was so sad when they canceled it like the original time. And so I'm glad that they surprised everyone with it.
Anyways, we're getting ready right now. Our friend Rebecca is graduating from semester at sea. We're gonna do a little celebration for her on Lido deck. So we're getting ready right now. That's what this is for. Alright, these are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing today. Welcome to the mess of what's left in this closet. Anyways, these have been through hell and back, beat up. Alright, Amanda, Nicole, fit it up. Let's go support Rebecca. The sky is gorgeous. It's like cotton candy. Look at how pretty she looks. Hey boo, hey boo, hey boo. Oh, are you? Sorry, I just stepped on you. You look gorgeous.
What's going on, guys? Oh, is this your camera?
Little message.
Hi Ribs, happy graduation.
Mwah.
I know your bank account's gonna be like 10 times all of ours.
Before we get some food to celebrate her graduation, we're gonna change Nicole's shoes. She's struggling over here. Okay, we're gonna get grilled food right now. Oh, my hair's all crazy. Hi, can I do a veggie burger with cheese, please? Yes, thank you. Hey, vlog! Look at how cute these nails are. Walk us through the countries.
Okay, so you have Belgium, Spain, Malta, Greece, Canary Islands, Cape Town,
Oh my god.
Mauritius, Malaysia, Vietnam, and the semester at sea one.
Alright, we've been standing at the grill for like 45 minutes. I can't. Mama's hungry. God bless everybody. Bless up.
My biggest takeaway was the people. Like, I have met my people on this voyage. Like, don't know what I would do without them. You and you included.
It's gonna be so much fun, and I shouldn't complain.
Once your luggage is dropped off, you cannot access it. So you will be responsible for taking your luggage to whichever destination.
Red Sea Bestie, everyone. That was like really emotional.
Why are you drawing it so big?
I need the hair.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we could do Colorado.
Can I show my tattoo?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I'm seeing what this bogus face is about. It may be a Colorado.
No. Turn. Yeah. So Amanda, Nicole, and I have matching PJ shorts. And it's a weird squid-looking Christmas tree. Stop. These are the donation boxes. Everybody's putting their clothes, school supplies, whatnot.
Yo. You want it? I'll take it.
We need a little snack, so we're getting Doritos. Popcorn has been secured. The Doritos were not available. Got the popcorn. Hi! Wait, y'all gotta introduce yourselves to the vlog.
My name is Juliet. Oh, hello, I'm Vera.
Happy birthday to you. We're going to Berlin right now because Caroline has popcorn. It's a lot better with pepper in it. Believe it or not.
I don't know how I feel about this. Pepper and popcorn sounds a little scary. My first time ever having popcorn on the ship. It's so good. How much do I do though?
Like a lot.
Okay.
Like shake it.
It smells. Okay.
Try it first.
Taste test.
Right?
Yeah, that's actually really good. Oh, it's like a little zingy.
I forgot what I wanted to say. They're all running for my fart. Oman's violent. It's her birthday.
You're just showing everyone your card. I love this game. I'm obsessed with this game. I went!
Give me another card.
What? Another card? Oh look.
Oh my god.
We can literally see all of them.
Is it recording? Is it recording right now? Okay. She's not supposed to show her cards. Says don't look. And then turns her cards, shows him all of them.
Okay, so it's basically 3 in the morning right now, 2:47. I thought that I lost my camera and I was freaking out for quite a while. I was about to have a heart attack because all of the Vlogmas footage that I filmed would have been gone. But anyways, I haven't done a proper outro in a while. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, which means 2 more days. I should actually probably take this down if it's 2:40 in the morning. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
Crackling wood all season, decorating